Hi everyone, welcome at the unboxing of the Christmas Joy box, the subscription box for October. And look in the cute box it is coming. It has a cute Santa, and at the back it even has more Santa. How cute! So not only the Advent box is coming in a cute box, but also the monthly box of October. Let me show you everything that is in the Christmas Joy box. In this box is one sticker book with 30 sheets, 2 washi tapes, 1 pen, 1 notepad, 2 paper sheets, one magnet. Exciting! Let me show you everything. Let me start with the cute washi tapes. They are 1 centimeter thick, and it's a garland and some cute Christmas stripes. And this is how they look like on paper. And now I'm already showing you also a part of the notepad. It's an A5 notepad, double-sided, and it has 25 sheets. Cute snow and Christmas ornaments. I'm really in love with this one. Let me show you the next thing. Next thing is this beautiful red pen with red gems. All the Christmas feels with beautiful gold accents. Black ink. Isn't this pretty? I really love it. Then something new is in this box. It's a cute magnet, and it says all I want for Christmas is stickers. Just like the all I want for Christmas is you song from Mariah Carey, of course, but then it's Chris stickers. I really like this one. And then let's go to the paper sheets. It are 2 double-sided paper sheets. These sheets have the size of the Happy Planner Classic, and of course other same size planners. So they're pretty big, so you can use them as cover or dashboard. Aren't they beautiful? Wow, how cute is this mug from Santa? The winter house in the snow, the Christmas lights, and Christmas gifts. And last, but definitely not least, the Planything Christmas Joy sticker book. Ooh, so excited! 30 sheets of Christmas stickers. Let me show you all the sticker sheets. So this was everything from the Christmas Joy box. This Christmas Joy box is available to order on October 1 until it sells out. The sticker book is also individually available. Thank you for watching this unboxing. See you next time. Bye!